How to use Wayfair My List for home decor. Now, Wayfair's My List feature is a digital organization tool that designs to help you curate, categorize, and track home decors, items, and furnitures before making a purchase. What you need is first thing first, open the Wayfair app onto your device. Once logged in, what you need is first thing you have to create a theme list, right? So instead of one giant wish list, you could organize by project or room as well, like Boho Living Room, Nursery Update, or Outdoor Patio. So what you need is here, you just have to go ahead and start adding items. Go to the home page and you just want to start adding item. So instead of you adding to the cart, you just want to make sure to select the heart icon. So you want to go ahead and add in or look for the item just like this and look for the heart icon right next to it. You could just tap on see full details. You will be able to find the heart icon. You just want to tap onto it. You would tap on the share button. You could locate the heart icon over here. Here it is, save. Right, and do the same thing with the rest of the other items that you wish to add it to your my list. Now you could go and use your list to mix the match or mix and match different pieces, such as see how a specific Wayfair rug looks alongside a chosen sofa. You could save the item to a list, allows you to receive notification for price drop, flash deals, or when popular items are back in stocks. This is the simplest thing you could do in order to use Wayfair's My List for home decor. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.